In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a document in DocuSign. We'll walk through the full process, from opening DocuSign all the way to sending your document out for signatures. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to click, what information to fill in, and how to make sure everything is set up correctly before you hit send. First, open your web browser and go to the DocuSign website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you land on your DocuSign home or send page. This is where you manage documents you want others to sign. Once you're there, look for the option that says Get Signatures. This is usually quite prominent on the main screen. Click on Get Signatures to start creating a new envelope, which is DocuSign's term for the package that includes your document and your recipients. Next, you'll need to upload the document you want signed. Click on the Upload button. A file picker will open, allowing you to browse your computer. Choose the PDF, Word document, or other file you want to use, and confirm your selection. DocuSign will upload the file and display a preview. Now, it's time to tell DocuSign who needs to sign. Click into the recipient name field and type in the full name of the person who will be signing. Take a moment to double-check the spelling, especially if you'll be sending this to a client or external contact. Below the name, you'll see a field for the recipient's email address. Type their email carefully, as this is where the signing link will be sent. A small typo here can prevent them from receiving the document, so it's worth pausing to ensure it's correct. Next, click into the subject field of the email. Add a clear, concise subject line that tells the recipient what the document is about. For example, please sign the agreement. This is what they'll see in their inbox, so make it easy to recognize. Underneath, there will be a message field. Click into this and write a short, friendly message explaining what the document is and what you need them to do. You can mention any important deadlines or special instructions here. When that's done, click on Next, Add Fields. This takes you into the document editor, where you decide exactly where the recipient will sign and what information they need to provide. On the left-hand side, you'll see a column with different types of fields you can add. These include signature, initials, date signed, email, company, and title, as well as input fields like text, number, drop-down, checkbox, and radio buttons. To use them, click on the type of field you want, then click again on the document where you want it to appear. For example, drag a signature field to the signature line, or place a date signed field next to the date line. If you need someone to fill in information, place text or number fields in the appropriate spots. Take your time to ensure every place that needs a response or a signature has the correct field attached to it. Once you've added all the fields you need, look for the Preview option. Click on Preview to see the document exactly as your recipient will see it. Scroll through the entire document and confirm that every field is in the right place and assigned to the correct recipient. If you spot anything off, exit the preview and adjust the fields. When you're satisfied that everything looks good, click Send. DocuSign will email your recipient with a link to view and sign the document. From there, you'll be able to track the status inside your DocuSign account and see when the document has been viewed and completed. And that's the full process for creating and sending a document in DocuSign.